What's going on here? Why is there a house in our apartment?
What? Hey!
Girls! Hi, Mom. What is this? We can explain. We were just so bored. Should we play with dolls?
Wow!
Nice idea. I've got a dollhouse. It's tiny. You're gonna break it. There you go. The doll needs to move into a bigger place. What do you think? Whoa! Let's measure everything carefully. Oops! The couch is in the way. We need more room. Let's empty the place first. Phew! Move aside. I'll take the couch away. It's too heavy. Hi, I need your help. You need movers? Push! The room is clear. So heavy. Nancy, watch out! I got it. I got a saw. I'm almost done. Nice. Whoops. You gotta give me a heads up. The beams are ready. Let's join them and connect the sides. Add stands to secure it. What a funny thing! It straightens corners. Done. Julie, watch! Whoops! Too high. Let's saw some more. The first wall is complete. Attach a support bar. I need a hammer too. Someone's calling. Oh, hi, bestie. I'll borrow it for a while. Yeah, sure. Where's my mallet? When did you have a chance to get it all? I needed to hammer in nails. You can paint. I'll go grab a brush. The house frame will be white. White is always in style. Here's a brush. I gotta sneak it out. So good. A plant. Was it here before? That might be a cupcake decoration. I got a brush.
What?
You already finished painting? I wanted to paint too. No worries. You can have my brush to finish the last part. Thanks. I'm done. Good job. Now let's fasten the walls perpendicularly. What? All right. You hold the walls. I'll fasten them together. Down. Whoa! You go now. The other way. You can take it from here. We don't need these pieces. I know how to hammer in nails. What are you doing? Let me do it instead. The last wall, and we're done with the frame. Yay! I gotta calculate how many supplies I need to cover the walls. Count me in. A foot. Another one. Now let's measure and cut. We gotta be extra careful. Up. Whoops! It would be a good idea to fasten it well. First, with screws. And then with a stapler to be extra safe. Let's move the house to the side. Come on, you got this. Nancy, help me out. It worked. High five. Whatever. Mix white and red paint and we get a perfect shade of pink. Let's paint the wall. Pink is my favorite color. I could paint all day long. We made it! Building a house is so much fun. Whoops! Oh, Nancy! We need shutters. These will do. found fasteners. Get a screwdriver. Done! The shutters will be white. When I have a roller, I can paint it real fast. Ta-da! Hey, Nancy!
Hey!
Do you like it? Love it! We forgot the roof! And this will turn into a roof frame. I brought beams.
Ow!
Sorry, sister. Hold it. I'll make a hole. Now let's join the beams. Done. Whoops. We need corner fasteners. We handled it pretty well. High five. I found roof covering material. Help me out. Let's staple it. We need tiles. Be right back. Mom, I'll grab a plate. Julie, I'm busy. Yeah, what were you saying? There was a plate here. Look what I got. Are we having lunch? Absolutely not. We'll draw roof tiles. Trace the plate using a sponge with paint, and we have a marvelous tiled roof. Wow! Now we should set it up. A vein will be over here. I agree. Done! Where's the wind blowing? Look what I got! A new dress! Come on, Nancy! A wedding veil is even better! We need a door curtain! I love it! Let's put a heart over the entrance! No! A star! No! A heart! A star! My feelings are hurt! It's a rainbow! Sister, let's make up! And these are wall moldings! Let's glue them on! Oops! I'm glued! Oh, Nancy! I can do it faster alone! Whoa! The rainbow is missing something! Now it's perfect! There's no such thing as too many lights! Lights are so much fun! Nancy, cut it out! Stop jingling! This bell will still come in handy when I need to calm you down! Great! Shall we go inside? Absolutely! Well, the inside of the house looks pretty dull. I know! Let's start off with the ceiling. Attach the fabric and turn the lights on. A starry sky! I want to glue on wallpaper! This is how you glue on wallpaper! You won! The key is to use lots of glue. Nice! Let's add more lights. Cover the floor with a rug as if it's a lawn. I'll bring in the stuff. It can go here. Nancy, there has to be a hanger for it. There you go. Thanks. A brush shelf will be over here. Nah, it doesn't work like that. Here's a shelf. The stuff is all where it belongs. No, Nancy! Hold on! What? It's not a piñata, it's a lamp! Pretty! The beanbags will go over there, and a coffee table will go right here. Julie, take a seat! The window's so dull. We'll spruce it up. Gum is a tried and tested method. Let's look out the window. Well, this view is no good. Let's take care of the yard. We'll start off with the lawn. We also need a tree. Let's place it over here. I know! I'll bring in a lantern. Almost there. Here you go. Nancy, watch out! 2 lanterns are better than 1. I came up with something. Put up a rope, and now we've got ourselves our own swing. Let's make road markings so it looks like a real park. And a mini gate. A parking lot will be over here. Whoa! May I go through? Welcome! Our house is the best. So this is what it was like. That explains a lot. Want to take a pic? Totally!